Mitthu, give me the ball. Yes, Mitthu. Pull the bed sheet, yeah. Yes, yes. That's the trick. Yes. Roll the ball. And yes, it's in your grip now. Come on, roll it, roll it, roll it. And again. Yeah. That's done. And start biting. This is the trick what Mitthu applies to tear the ball and play with the ball. He's not playing but actually tearing the ball, no? With the help of bed sheet, the help of cloth. And one more thing you can see is what he show me. What is this? What is this? What is this? Mitthu, come on, say me, what is this? This bird is a danger bomb. Look, what is this stupid? And he does not feel any regret in